Ready, start. The objective before the government was to tide over the crisis in the balance of payments position and at the same time to control the inflation in the country. Stop. The twin objectives were achieved by the government by introducing our new industrial policy, monetary policy, trade policy, and fiscal policy as well. Stop. The budgetary policy reflects the economic philosophy, the fiscal policy of the government, and the government thought and rightly so that if the economy is to be restored from its impasse, one of the major objectives will be to liberalize the economy and to unshackle the economy from the cobwebs of bureaucratic control. Stop. It is precisely because of this reason that the new industrial policy expecting in certain basic sectors has now freed the economy from the licensing and other requirements which created artificial bottlenecks in developing the country on its own. Stop. Paragraph. The finance minister has introduced various measures to give relief to the different sectors of the economy. Stop. He has introduced a drastic cut in the rate of taxation. Stop. Today there are only three slabs of income tax. Stop. The people whose income is up to rupees 50,000 are pay 20%. The people whose income is between rupees 50,000 and 1 lakh are to pay 30%, and for above rupees 1 lakh it will be only 40% with a surcharge which, as assured by the finance minister, will continue only for 1 year. Stop. He has also raised the taxation exemption limit from rupees 22,000 to rupees 28,000. Stop. In other words, the small income groups will get a relief of rupees 6,000 as their tax exemption limit is increased. Stop. I would appeal to the finance minister to see whether this raising of the exemption limit will really give substantial relief to the middle or the lower income groups in our country. Stop. Paragraph. The finance minister has introduced a better liquidity on the basis of the recommendations of Narasimha committee. Stop. The liquidity ratio is to be reduced from 38% to 30%. Stop. It is a very welcome measure. Stop. For the commercial banks are not to keep much of their deposits locked up in unproductive investments. Stop. Now they have been released, and this will give encouragement to the investment in productive sector. Stop. The finance minister has introduced a very important measure. Stop.